So just I want to know your feedback, how the session is going, past session, what is your learning? Does you have knowledge? Means you have knowledge which is getting refreshed, or you are it's a new learning for you. So please share your input. It's a casual question. Anybody can answer. It's not compulsory for anyone. Hello. I'm not getting a response from anyone. So is it audible to all of them? Yes, Ilya. You can speak, Ilya. It is a good everybody can hear you rather than writing. I'll reply what we have written. Good afternoon, sir. The session was informative and enhanced our knowledge and got to know more about the developmental milestone at different stage uh, and a lot more. Thank you, Ria, for your input. So you have shared some videos, milestone in the morning with Vidya, my colleagues have shared. So are you thinking that milestone video will be helpful to all of you? So,
Yes, sir, it was very nice.
thank you.
It was very good. And
My question is just simply that now you have shared some videos which you have developed. So are you thinking that videos will be helpful for you for your when you are working or practicing in some place?
Yes, sir, it is more helpful, sir.
Okay, thank you, Praveen.
Yes, it will be helpful.
Oh, okay, thanks for your support. And you are developing that video also in other languages also, like it is now in English will be converted into local language. And in coming days we have your email ID. Very soon we'll be sending that link to you, all of you. You can explore that one. Let's start 3-7. So all are joining. Yes, Sohini, good afternoon. This session was short yet informative. The video are very good as well as the slides. However, I like to keep going back to these videos to refer. Yes, thanks, Sohini. So any you have to share the link, you can keep it, and if you want the link also, you can ready to share in your personal email ID and WhatsApp also. Anytime you want, we are ready to share. And I will also before going to one session, I like to share one thing. Of develop So you have developed one milestone tracker. This is our table of develop. If you, just I'm not sure. Sorry, my mistake. So is it visible to all of you? You can see my screen. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You can see this is our website where is swasthyagiftable.org. In that you have developed one milestone tracker. If now children is a very remote area where it is difficult to identify children having any disability or developmental delay, so you have developed a milestone tracker through which you can do identify the children having any disability or not. So this is a tracker which is available in all languages. Like if you see here English, Hindi, Bengali, Oriya, Marathi, Gujarati, here Malayalam, Telugu, Kannada and Telugu. If you click here anything, if you go to English, some delay is there in the internet. There is some issue. I will share it with you. So in here what I am trying to say, if you go that link, there will be demographic data, details will be, and there will be some question related to the milestone, and you will get the pictures. Through that you can identify the child having some issue or not. And if you fill and submit us, we know that the child having some disability. And within a 10 minutes we can able to assess screen that child having some basic disability or not. So it's a tracker which we can follow. So it is getting open in Hindi. Just I will explain. So it is the information about the demographic data, हर बच्चे का नाम, लोग means male female ratio from format. Here you can add the child photograph and the other copy of the parents of child. Once you fill, you have to go the next. Then you will ask about the milestone. So it's compulsory something to ask. So like this you fill and submit. So that you come to know that the child having some disability or not. It's for across India. So you can try also this milestone. The network issue. The network is
Take use mine. मेरा घर use mine. क्या हो गया? Network issue. इसका करो ना ये
कमेंट करो
ऑफिस का Did you log in and say network issue will join?
Sorry to all of you, there is some network issue. I could not join. So I'm saying about this milestone. So let's start about our topic. I'll do my presentation. My screen is visible to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So the topic of is play and its importance. So before starting, I just introduce myself. I already so myself Nilakar Devdas and I am professionally occupational therapist and I am working in the field of the early intervention for the last 9 years. So before starting, I want to know what you understand by play and its importance. What you understand by play? How many types of play is there? Do you have any idea? Any idea? Can I get? Six type, yeah. Sorry, officer. Yes, it's correct. Yeah, you are correct on the six type. Could you explain the name? You can speak. Yeah, it will be great because I couldn't many times open the test chat box. Okay. The learning objective of this session will be understand about the different types of play and how it is helpful in the shaping the behavior of the child. Means how it will be helping the also domain and areas also. So if you understand what is play, so play is a range of voluntary, intentionally motivated activity normally associated with recreational pleasure and enjoyment. So everybody in the life, all the children to adult usually have a play based on their age group, and they mainly help in the recreational pleasure and enjoyment. So even now we're working and we have a play, we are interacting with our colleagues and working social interaction, which is one type of play also. So play is one part of our life. So that's why we call it play occur at any life of the stage. So if you see what is the importance of play, play helps play is one domain and we help the other domain to achieve their milestones. Like play interfere in the domain of physical if you know their height, weight, or to the play the child will achieve more height and weight all the things. Cognitive development through play only child will usually achieve the cognitive development which consider attention, concentration, sitting tolerance. This also comes under cognitive. Then motor is a very important part of our life which consists of gross motor and fine motor. So in the gross motor we usually go for the bilateral hand movement, kicking activity, catching. So these are on the one are the play. Then fine motor all also comes under is achieved through the play only. Then language and communication and emotion, intelligence and self-help. So these are the domain which where the play an important role in the achieving their milestones. So as we have told, there is six type of play and we have also income. So there are the six type of play name are unoccupied play, independent or solitary play, onlooker play, parallel play, associate play, and cooperative play. Everybody can understand, or I have to repeat it. Is it
Yes, sir,
okay?
understand.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
thank you. So if we come to the so before starting the play experience, I want to show a video to all of you. Is it audible?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Now it is audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
From the age of 12 months, children begin to relate to each other. From the age of 12 months, children begin to relate to each other in increasingly complex ways.
Solitary play is when a child plays by themselves.
Solitary play is when a child plays contentedly by themselves, a completely different play to the children around them.
Onlooker play is when a child watches other children playing but doesn't join in.
Onlooker play is often seen when a child is introduced to a new game or new group of children. The child will only interact with the others when they are ready to join in.
Parallel play is when children play beside each other but not with each other. This play is common in 2-year-olds.
Parallel play is the simplest form of play. Children may sit next to each other, drawing, doing jigsaws, but they don't play together or interact with each other.
Associative play is when children talk to each other while they are playing. This play is common in 4-year-olds.
Associative play involves children talking to each other but playing separately, without collaborating in a shared goal or task.
Cooperative play is when children play together and their games have rules. This play is common in 3-year-olds.
Cooperative play is a more complex form of play involving communication and cooperation. Here, children take part in games with rules and boundaries. This may involve role play, for example, doctor and patient, or constructive play, where children work together to build something. The skills learned during play with others set the scene for social interactions at school and later on in adulthood.
So it is understand or I have to play one more time. Hello.
Sir, please explain the difference between associative play and the parallel play.
Yeah, I will explain one by one. I will be going and I will explaining you. Okay, thank you. So first we will start with the unoccupied play. The age group we will see the unoccupied play will be back to infancy or it's 0 to 3 months. So in this time you will usually see the unoccupied play. So how we will observe that is unoccupied play? Child may do the random movement with no purpose. Like mainly the child don't have maybe achieve the head control and he will be lying on the supine position. And in that case he will be doing the random movement of the hand and leg. So that is one type of play we call as the unoccupied play. So if in that time the child will be learning now, he'll be new to that environment, he will be observing. So everything is new to them and they are understanding the world around them. They will be observing, interpreting the voice of different voice, will be observing mother's voice, father's voice. So the child will be learning that all the stage. And they develop self-confidence also. They learn about their environment. So it's the unoccupied play mainly helps to achieve their surrounding environment, to adjust to their surrounding environment. So which is seen in the 0 to 3 month. So any question in unoccupied play? Okay. So next we talk about the independent or solitary play. So this is how we call at the first stage of play where we can observe the some means the child is doing some activities. So we officially call that this type of first stage of play, and it is usually seen in the age group of 3 months to 2 years. And child play alone with their object. So in this type we call as solitary because it's an independent play. Child will be not interacting with anyone and he will be start to learn himself or herself. So this way we call as playing alone. So they play alone because they don't have to understand the relationship. In that stage, child don't understand about the relationship. For that reason, he start to play alone. So and it is important because it teaches the child how to keep himself entertained and evaluating, setting the path with being self-sufficiency. So when he started to understand the environment, he have to understand the pathways, how to interact, how to play, how to see it, how to eat. So for that, it takes more time to understand that concept. So he initially started to play himself for that to understand this concept. So that's why we call it independent or solitary play and it gives them time to think, explore, and create. So in this time, child take more time to do one activity or complete the task. So this way, then they usually take more time to think, explore, and create. And in this play help to develop their concentration, physical, and mental skills.
And
And
in
in
this
this
time there
time
is
there
no
is no
rule,
rule,
they
they
cannot
cannot
follow
follow
any
any
rules,
rules,
so
so
they
they
make
make
their
their
own
own
rules.
rules.
This is
This is a
very
very
important
important
point
point
which we
which we
can
can
observe
observe
the
the
solitary
solitary
play.
play.
But
But I would like to say the solitary play nowadays the cases like
cases like
autism they
autism, they
usually
usually
have
have
solitary
solitary
play.
play.
So
So
if you
if you
ask to the
ask to the
parents,
parents,
parents
parents
usually tell
usually
my
tell my
child will
child will
sit
sit
alone and
alone
play
and play
himself
himself
in one
in
room
one
and,
room
or at a
or
corner
at a
of the
corner of
room.
the room.
So
So
usually
usually
that is
that is
also
also
solitary
solitary
play.
play.
But
But
solitary
solitary
play
play
is
is
one
one
stage
stage
of
of
the
the
play.
play.
But
But
if
if
we
we
cross
cross
the
the
age
age
group,
group,
then
then
it
it
will
will
be
be
as considered as
considered
maladaptive
maladaptive behavior.
behavior.
So
So you have to
take the
take the
proper
proper
management
management
or
or
intervention
intervention to
to
correct
correct
that
that.
issues.
Next,
Next, come to the onlooker play. So onlooker play is when a child simply observes the other child and playing and does not take part in the action. And is common for young children who are working in the developing vocabulary. It could be that the child feels shy, need to learn and rules. So here I want to give an example of non-local play. If a new child is coming from outside and other people are playing that time, so the child will be cannot enter directly to that with the play groups. So first he will be observing and understanding what type of play they are playing, how they are playing, what language they are using, all the things. So when the child will be observed for 1 or 2 days, then only he can start to mingle in that group. So that duration or period we call as onlooker play. So mainly it is seen in the young children when they started to going in the school, they don't know the friend circle, how to mingle all the things. They will be start observing what the other peer groups are doing. So that observation period we call as onlooker play. And in this time, the child will feel more shy and need to learn, observe and learn the rules. Which is called as onlooker play. So next, we talk about the parallel play. So parallel play is integral part at the age group of 2 to 3 years. So which help them to learn the rules, observe the skill from other socialization. Child play in this parallel play. What will happen? The child will play near to each other, but not with each other. This is very important. Child will play near to each other, but not with each other. So they use object as a symbol to play. Example, stick becomes sword. So in this reasoning skill improve, they learn by trial and error, copying adult and other children, serve as a bridge to develop more complex cooperative play. So it is usually seen in the age group of 2 to 3 years of will start the parallel play. What happen if you see in the school, if you go on any schools or primary play school, what happen the children will be doing some activity when sitting near to each other, but nobody will be interacting with each other. They are with their own tasks. So that is considered as parallel play. They know each other, but they will not be mingling with each other. And they will be learn the rules and observe from each other. So it is an observation period what other peers group are doing. And in this period they use take the symbol sword. Like here example you are taken as ice cream stick is considered as sword. They usually playing with the stick and telling that this sword. Like this other they can use the other materials and represent as the sword. And reasoning skills like thinking, label, and solving the problem, it will be initial be start, and they will be doing a lot of errors and trying to rectify that one. And in this period, in this play, the copying skill will develop. They will observe and copy and imitate the action words and pattern of working. All the things will be they start observing from the adult and his peer group, and they will usually start following. And this helps to create the more complex cooperative play. Then associate play is followed through the parallel play, and the age group usually see the associate play is 3 to 4 years of age. So in this what happened, the children will be started to engage with each other. So play together in the same group and activity. So may not work with each other and promote cooperation. So improve socialization through working play with others. The problem solving, like they will be asked questions such as how, what, and why, will be start in this play. They facilitate the future development of language and show more reasoning skill. So, like I'll tell one example. When you are just I have seen in my school life also when students are playing any any game like outside a game like cricket. So what happens? There is so many children will be observing that one. So when the batsman will hit the ball, whatever the ball will go outside the boundary. That time they will give order to the children who is watching, go and bring that ball. So when the child is somehow that outside the child will engage in this game, what will happen? He will go and bring that ball and pass it to the bowling person. So that is called as associate play. He is trying to associate it or in getting involved in that game. That is called as associate play. So in this thing, what happens? You'll try to the problem solving skill will be developed in this skill, and they will be understand the questionnaire like how, why, and what questionnaire to ask. Like we call WH questions, and the more reasoning skills will be start developing this play. So any questions like somebody wanna ask parallel and associate play? It got
Sir,
clear?
I have a question.
Yes.
I have a question from this associate play. Here it is written play together in the same group and activity. And
Yes.
the video you have shown, it was like they were just talking to each other and they were not playing with each other. One boy in the left was, you know, वो अपनी बॉल से खेल रहा था and the right one was playing with him, with his
Yeah.
ball. They were just talking. They were not playing together. So why is it written
No,
here? Play
what?
together in the same group.
No, actually, what I am to say in the play in the video it is showing that the two people are playing. Another player is observing that one and start to understand that concept. So this is what I told the associate play means they will be start observing and started to play. Like I given the example of cricket when the batsman and bowler is playing. So when the ball is go to outside of boundary, he'll give instruction to the outside of boy to bring that ball and pass to them. So when he'll be involved, he cannot be direct involvement. But what when he's going and bringing the ball and giving pass, he'll understand that concept how the play is happening. So that's why he'll be started to get involved about that game. So that is called an associate play. You are making them associate. Just they don't know anything concept. You are making them to understand the concept of that game. So how to play. So that is called an associate play. Mainly the two or three person will be the main player, and another person who is observing and standing near to that. So he'll be under observation and he will be trying to understand how the game is going on. So that's what is presented in that video. So that what is the meaning here. So play together in the same groups. It's a group game type activity. It's not possible without one without a group or two members. It got clear or in doubt?
Okay, sir. Thank you. The video will be shared with us.
Yes, if you want, I will share with you.
Okay. Okay.
Thanks. So next, talking about the cooperative play. So here is a cooperation outcome. The cooperative play involves the division of effort among the children in order to reach a common goal. Here the leadership quality and the goal achievement will be starting in this cooperative play, and it will be seen in the age group of 4 to 7 years. A cooperative play involves a winner and loser. If there is a team which will be one team will be winning and another team will be getting lose. And cooperative play is concerned with solving a problem by working together to a common goal. So here team building is coming in the cooperative play, like a team player will be there, where the leader will be there, and he or she will be guiding to the team how to achieve the goal. So then there will player will be there, different teams. So all team having a common goal to achieve that a common aim to achieve that goal. So who given more effort and in the less time, they are the winner. So that's why it's a team player. Everybody will get involved, and there will be leader. So any doubt in cooperative play? So we'll go next to the self play. So self play is we call as is one part of play, but is not considered under the six. But what happen in the self play is a one stage of milestone. What when the child will play with their own body parts. It occur in the age of the 6 months to 1 year. They should not extend it out. It's not appropriate. Like you will see most of the children at the month of 6 months they started to play with their own private body parts. Mainly boys are more than the girls, so that we call as self their own body part self play, and it will be extended up to 1 year. So but if you see in the most of the cases in the autism and ADHD children, they will be playing at the age of 3 years or 4 years. They started to play with their own body parts, which is not appropriate to the environment. So that time we call as maladaptive behavior. So you have to have behavioral management to control or stop the self play. So just I'll explain. There will be more explanation about the role of play and intervention in the next session, where my colleague Kalpana will be taking. But just I'll give a brief information about the role of play. So play is an opportunity for children to learn how to think, work, solve problems, make friends, and develop their bodies. So like physical, motor, cognitive, all part component based depend on the play to achieve their milestones. For example, child playing with the sand and water in park like to learn lifting, pouring, dropping, building, jumping, talking, thinking, and more. So these are the all milestones will be achieved in a one small game. So all the domain of the child are simulated in one activity. So you call that the activity intervention in the activity. So in that one, it will give one activity, all the milestone in all the domain will get involved, and this all domain will be achieved through the play method. And child will understand the concept to play as an exercise. So as usually in the therapy, what I see in most of the therapy center, they will be doing the more passive exercise, stretching, all the things. So rather than going to the passive stretching exercise, if you do the active exercise, just do the playful method, child will be learn easily, and it will easy to transfer the skill to the mother. And mother can do that activity at the home, and when the mother will do the same activity with the child will show more interest, and there will be more chance to get recovery or to achieve the goal. So what in most of the intervention center you usually follow the active exercises rather than saying to the therapist to do the passive exercise. So I request all the professionals, if you will follow also same, you'll see the great changes in our intervention. So next, in this manner, play solve as a sort of rehearsal of life. Play perhaps the individual to solve the problem in an organized and flexible way. So lot of the way we can organize and solve our problems with the play also. Play also gives the child opportunity to experiment with objects in unusual ways. Social skills are practiced and developed due to the child desire to keep the play going on. So these social skills include observing the responding to the others, accepting other ideas, taking turn, negotiating, and other cooperation skills. So mostly the social skills respond to the involve eye contact, then following the rules, regulation, and emotional status. These are all will be built through the play skill. So play skill play an important role for the social and emotional domain. So these are the seven important social skill for the skill for a child. So which is understand through the play only. And just I'm sharing. First will be the sharing. Through the play only, child will started to share the things with others. So this is one domain of the social skill. Sorry, one area of domain skill. Then cooperative, listening, following direction, respecting personal space, making eye contact, so using manners. So these are the seven components through which the area will be developed through the play only. So I have a question. This is a question round. So here I have shown a picture. So just I want to know the answer. Anyone can answer. So this is what type of play is this, and what are the domain child getting learning? Will anyone answer? This is what type of play?
Associative play?
Ashu said, how it is?
Cooperative play.
Cooperative.
Yes, correct. Cooperative play. So what are the domain child is getting learned? Will you explain me? Uh, like I told, play involved in various domains. So what are the domain is getting involved in this?
Cooperative,
Motor, cognitive,
Cognitive.
Okay.
and emotional, problem solving,
Okay. Any other is there?
Hearing, hearing,
I could not get now.
social,
Socialist.
cooperation,
So any other domain which is very common we can see in this. Very
motor domain,
yes, motor. In motor, what is the things? Which area?
fine motor,
Yes, correct. So fine motor play a very important role. So if you see in the developmental milestone, first ground motor is developed and child started to grow, the fine motor is get achieved. So fine motor usually take more time to get achieved. So through the play, child started to play and getting interacted. So the fine motor is achieved quickly. And if you see in the cognitive role, the sitting tolerance, eye contact level, memory, orientation, attention, concentration, waiting tolerance will be get developed through this play. And the communication part. So most of the children in autism are facing their losing their communication because of the social interaction. They don't have interaction or the play activity. If they are getting, so definitely the child is going to achieve or the same age appropriate communication. So I thanks all of you for your giving the answer. So this is a cooperative play, and then the domain is getting involved by and like motor, cognitive, socialization, communication area is getting get involved. So any questions? This is a small presentation. I hope everybody will enjoy. So any questions, any doubt is there, you can ask me. Any question anybody have, please can ask. Thank you, Gopal. very nice session, welcome. Kiki, Aliva, Shibama, thanks for your support and for your worry. So I'll be sharing the question. So before that, I'd like to all of you please on your camera so we can have a photo session. So we have to keep a record of the program in keep. So I request all of you please on your camera. We can have a photo session. So please all of you on your camera. Yeah. So now I'll share again the show the slide to one page. Sure, I'll do after this photo session. I request all of you please on a lot of people Isha, Kavita Ma, Nandita, Renu. I request all of you please on the ground. It will be great. Okay, please smile. Thank you. Okay, I have taken.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
So
I have
now,
a
yeah,
question.
yeah, I'll be present.
Will the sources and the video links be shared?
Which video link?
Uh, the milestone videos.
Yeah, I'll be sharing.
Thank
You
you.
have one? I will be sharing the chat text box. Is it okay?
Yes, yes, that would be fine.
Okay, then just now I am
And for
sharing.
the video you have shown for the types of play also.
Sure, sure.
Please
That
share
I'll be
that link.
sending to your WhatsApp. That is not link is
Okay.
not there. You have that. I'll share that link also.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, I'll be sharing. I have shared that milestone videos in this uh, chat. So anybody want, please kindly. One more link also I giving. You can follow from here also. Sure, sure. I will in WhatsApp group. So now I'll be sharing the question again to all of you.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, please tell me.
Yeah, sir, is it possible like this um, one question in play can have multiple answers?
Not audible now.
I'm saying that is it um,
Hello.
particular play can have multiple answers?
Now can you write it? I could not hear anything. Yeah, I have given the assessment form here and I am sharing the feedback form. Share both the assessment and feedback form. You can fill it and I am sending the mail to everyone. So once you completed, please let me know. I will be sharing the answer. Anybody completed? Okay, please complete then I will take your time.
वीडियो भी ऑफ करो ना सर एक बार वीडियो भी ऑफ करो आपने बहुत धीरे धीरे बोला ना नहीं सुनाई दिया अच्छा हुआ अच्छा हुआ अच्छा वो सबने बहुत अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स दिया
तभी से कोई नहीं दे रहा था रेस्पॉन्स. They respond very nicely.
So
Ah.
he's asking questions and all, no? They know him also.
They
Last time
said-
Pragati Karan knows, no? She only asked questions. Last time it went well, I think. No?
This time I'm not planned. There is a resort for me.
You everything you want to do, hurry, burry. That's how.
I want to do it.
We should go, CRD should go, the partner music should happen, center should start. You're a human being at the end of the day, you're not machine.
Same word I use, hurry burry. In KRA meeting, he asked, "Do you want to say something to me?" I said, "Sir, don't do anything in hurry burry. And after 6:30, I'm not going to go." These two things I told him.
He won't make you work. But his boss, I also won't make him work. But my boss can make.
When boss will ask, give me a task, then she will answer me.
What?
Is that not this have? No, you guys want to say more. She will take more time, yeah. So we
और
complete
एक
quickly.
काम पूरा अच्छे से करके दूसरा जाओ.
No, see, this didn't go well. See, even I am also getting worried now why I took up this partner visit. So much is there for assessments. We have to finalize. I have to write a mail to the Dhwani organization because she's saying implementation of the product will take 6 weeks. After that, annual subscription will start. Then we should be ready with our assessments and all. No, all that requires time, yeah. When we are doing something, we should do properly. No? Down syndrome, silence days.
Chalo.
That we can do later. Yeah? Hey, but Jitika, Krishna taught you how to go live on YouTube through Google Meet?
No, from Google Meet. No. From here we can do not Google Meet. It is not connected to Google Meet.
Anything you can
But
do.
it-
Like now today you wanted to go live, right? How did you want to do
Google Meet, he download some app. It's there only.
that? Okay.
Then I have to go to YouTube also,
Okay.
to our channel, Giftable. Then I have to link that. Then
Okay.
the screen will be seen.
Was it seen?
No. Because we
Try
did not
this.
start.
We did not start.
Yeah.
We should try one.
Yesterday we started. Means we have seen.
Now you can do that. Link is there now. You do one presentation and we link to her. She can see.
Yeah, I'll see from YouTube. I won't join through Google Meet. See if that's working. After the session. Say bye and then start. Then you do, okay?
Okay, thank you for sharing question and answer. So the first question is that how many types of play? So in first one we have answer. This is answer is A, the 6 type of play. The second is that at what age the unoccupied play is seen. That is 0 to 3 months. The answer is 0 to 3 months. The question number 3. So in that play, 2 or more children put hand together to achieve a common goal. That everyone answer. Cooperative play. Fourth number, in which play child will learn reasoning skill or start reasoning skill? The answer is parallel play. So children play near to each other but not with each other is seen in which play? The answer is also parallel play. I hope everybody have given the answer correctly. Any question, any doubt from your side?
Sir, I didn't understand question number 4.
Which question?
Question number 4.
4.
Yeah.
So in which play will be the reasoning skill will be developed? Means the reasoning skill will start developing. So the answer is parallel play. In the parallel play, the child will start reasoning skill, thinking level will be start in that. Because in the parallel play, they will be starting sitting near each other and started to play. So in this, they will be started thinking about the reasoning or problem solving we call. So it is usually seen in the parallel play. So then it will get to the associate play, cooperative play.
So arts in play.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what you
So what you are coming?
Yeah.
okay, don't
Okay,
worry.
don't worry.
Mark
Mark it.
I think
I think the overall mark is 70%. I think everybody will get achieved now. So there is a 200 mark questions in overall theory. So where you have to give 140 marks. I think everybody will achieve. Don't worry on that mark. But feel and complete the form. That is important. So any doubt, any question? And please give your feedback. We have sent a feedback form about all the session, how it is going, what is your input. So which help us to develop our skill and knowledge in the upcoming programs. So any question, any doubt is there? Thank you, Dion. Hope you have enjoyed this session. So thank you. So we'll have the tomorrow session, and tomorrow is Sunday. I know that everybody having holiday, so we'll not take most time more, but we'll try to complete as soon. So let tomorrow see at 9:30 in the link which I have shared. So anything you have any query, you can put in the WhatsApp group. You can talk.